Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, we have spiked today actually. So in the previous video we came really here to a decision point. Yeah, we talked about that. We had the descending trend line of the triangle pattern. The trend line is now broken clearly. And we had the ascending trend line of this channel. And we sort of headed into an apex here between the two and or of the two. And I highlighted to you, we should get a decision here shortly. And the decision was made. The bulls certainly won here. We had a bit of a spike. It did reset the C wave higher, yeah, because we broke. So the C wave was sitting here before, it's now here. But with that move up, I mean, it certainly increased in probability, I would say, that we are going to invalidate the triangle now. It's not happened yet, but it will happen above 1963. Yeah, that was the level we talked about. Above 1963, this cannot be an Elliott wave triangle anymore because the C wave is not allowed to go above the A wave. Now, what happens if we invalidate the triangle? Is it going to change anything in terms of the larger outlook, the bigger picture? No, it's still all part of the same scenario as I suggested before. We still have here, taking the bigger picture into account, the scenario that we spiked in what I believe is a wave 1 in the primary count here. On the 16th of April, we came down in an A wave, found our low here around the 25th of April. And then the question is this B wave unfolding as an Elliott wave triangle in a B wave? Yeah, and we head down afterwards in C, or do we see a bit of a extended B wave to the upside? Certainly possible. It wouldn't be in a triangle count, but it would be just an ABC or a WXY. It can now actually be an ABC. And we would then head down in the C wave later. Yeah, important are here a few things to highlight. The triangle count is valid as long as we stay below 1963. The overall assumption that this here, all of this is a wave 2, is valid as long as we stay above 1533. Yeah, as long as we do that, it is highly likely that we will rally in a third wave afterwards, which would be very bullish. The problem is if we invalidate the triangle, I hope it doesn't happen, but it might very well do. The problem is that we then have a not very nicely defined B wave. If we don't have a very nice defined B wave, it's going to be difficult because you know that B waves can be shallow, B waves can be strong, B waves even can produce false breakouts. It will be bad price action, terrible price action. It will be very difficult again to to analyze and forecast because we will know that it is a B wave, yeah, or at least with a high likelihood. And again, a B wave can do something like that. So if we say, okay, we came down in an A wave, the move up is a B wave, but the B wave could unfold, for example, here as an A wave to the upside, B wave down, and then this could now be a C wave ending diagonal, for example, to the upside. And, you know, this is standard resistance, already highlighted and communicated from previous videos, yeah, all the way up to $2,067. But then a B wave can even go above that. Yeah, the B wave could go to the previous swing high of 2,130, and breaking above that would even still allow for a B wave. It depends on the structure that's unfolding, yeah. What I can certainly tell you, I currently have not really a strong case to make for the scenario that the wave 2 already ended. This is technically possible, but I don't have the bottom structure I would like to see. Yeah, if this was now already a third wave to the upside, which it can be because we hit our trend reversal area already, yeah, but it would first of all mean it would have been a very shallow wave 2, and this is an unreliable bottoming structure. But you know, it's going to be, if we break above 1963, it's going to be very difficult price action over the coming week. Yeah, very difficult. I mean, what we're doing now is just boring the triangle, but in validating the triangle to the upside, it will be difficult. I can just tell you, it will be difficult for the bulls. Okay, because it could already be a third wave, but it would not be the primary. It would then have to be a high B wave, and B waves can vary a lot. Yeah, just the pure knowledge that is this the case will make it difficult. Okay, but either way, it is what it is. Yeah, it's still a B wave. That's still the assumption. And ideally, we would then head down in a C wave afterwards, even if we get a high B wave. To be honest, a high B wave would be good for many altcoins because likelihood would be that Ethereum and Bitcoin will pull a lot of the altcoins out of their support regions, because a lot of the altcoin bullish setups are currently being challenged. So ideally they do hold, and they will hold with a high likelihood if we get a chance that, or if we get some sort of a bounce to the upside from here at least. Yeah. Okay, but that's currently the view about Ethereum. So again, it could just be an extended triangle, but we are now obviously challenging that because we are very close to 1963, and the way it looks is, you know, that this is going to invalidate it, because we're really literally only $8 away or something. So what happens then? It would then just be, I would take the triangle off. I'll just leave it on now, but I will take it off probably for the next video if that is getting invalidated. And it would just simply be an ABC structure here. And the C wave would be an ending diagonal. So we'll see, but it would not change anything in the larger outlook. Yeah, because again, taking the bigger picture into account, the idea is that this is a wave 2, and even bigger picture would suggest we are in an overall uptrend in a third wave. So, you know, it all depends on the time frame, but the idea is that we're still ready in a third wave. I mean, it's good to, it would be good from a point of view that, you know, if we break that trend and if we break the triangle, it would be good that we at least, well, from the point of view that we don't get a boring weekend ideally, right? Because, you know, a few more days in that triangle, I mean, it would be super boring. So ideally, if we break that triangle to the upside, at least we get a little bit of further upside here, get some upside targets. And again, they are 1973, 2012, 2067. And then we've got resistance at around about 2135, that 17th of April high. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.